Alright.
Alright, what'd you say your name and badge number was?
Right here. See that? R-Williams, 12355, car number 6141. Work for MPD.
Alright.
Car parked. You cannot drive your car, bro. Drive your whole harmless. You gotta wait for somebody to come pick you up with a valid license. Make sure they got a valid license.
Yeah, they know. But y'all know that was a legal search, right?
Nah.
It was.
This right here, you place under arrest.
No, there was a legal search, though.
Alright, whatever.
Yeah, I know. Hey, what's your badge number?
13119.
13119. What's your name?
Martin. M-A-R-T-I-N.
Martin what?
That's my name.
Your first name?
M.
Huh?
M.
M?
I'm not giving you my first name. M. Martin 13119. Can you complain? That's what you mean.
I ain't gonna complain.
Make sure you see your court date, man.
I see it.
And you missed them jump things, put the little one out.
I already know all about that, man.
Then they gonna search the car again.
Oh, you gonna do it?
Right? If you got a warrant by stop,
I ain't had no warrant in the first place.
license suspended, you're under arrest.
But you don't search the car when the license suspended, my man. You know that? I know you must probably be still fresh on the force or something.
Call a lawyer out.
I ain't gotta do that.
Call one, just that. I don't ask no questions.
I ain't gotta do that because you know you don't supposed to, you violated my Fourth Amendment right, man. You're not even supposed to search my trunk or the inside.
You're under arrest.
No.
All right, man, get the car.